Let's see, let's go test the pool light now. See if that works. Turn that on. And while I'm, well, not for too long. Oh yeah, it works. Just enough water. The new fitting here, bone dry. Bone dry, no leak from the chlorinator. I can't tell about the drain plug. It looks good for now. Really looks good, but time will tell. So everything's running. I can't open the skimmers because I don't have enough water in the pool. So let's go ahead and turn on the hose. All right, let's turn on the hose. That would be this one. We're on. Here's the other end. Yes! Awesome. So now, from what I can guesstimate, this looks to be a good 2 feet up until where the top of the liner is darker, which is about where the water line sits. Looks about 2 feet. The pool goes up 1/2 inch an hour. So that means that in 2 days, I can go up 1 foot. In 4 days, I'll have the water level where I need it to be. Huh. Let me shut the pool light off and we'll test the solar. All right, shut this off. Good. Open that up. Manual test. The valve is opening. Okay. I feel bubbles. Let's take a walk back to the pool. And within a few moments, we're going to have interrupted. You ever take a piss and then something startles you and you stop midstream? That's about what's going to happen here. Oh, getting close. Well, I'm telling you, even at my advanced age, I never had that happen to me taking a piss. Interestingly, these kind of just died down. Talk about blowing smoke out of your ass. Woo! I guess he blew my solar out good. Any day. Okay. Nope. There's some gnats here. There we are. Now we're getting better. Nothing out there. There he goes. It's still coughing and spitting and throwing up. Okay, we are rolling. Holy crap. All right. You feeling better now? Okay. All right. Well, that's going to do it for now. Really, at this point, everything is, for the most part, at a standstill. So why it didn't want to catch the first time, I don't know. That was really odd. Let me shut this. Oh, look at that. It wants to stay on. Because if I kill it full off, now it'll go back. Well, we're going to leave it off now. There's no reason to heat it. Close that up. I'm not seeing a fresh river of water here, which is a great thing. But I'm not keeping my hopes up, because last year in the morning it would leak bad, and by the afternoon it wasn't leaking as bad. Still have some air here. Everything's got to run for a while and see. Plus we got to get the skimmers open, which we cannot do until the water level comes up to them, which is going to take days. I can't put shock in because I put that through the skimmer, so I can't put that in for days. I could put chlorinating tabs in, but I think that's about enough for one day. Otherwise, I'm not seeing much in the way of leaking. That's pretty impressive. So the answer is yes, it works. Somehow. And so we wait while the tiny garden hose with my poor water pressure will eventually fill this pool back up. Patience is a virtue. Thank you for watching. Next part, maybe opening the skimmers. Not really sure. I got to get this water level up, and I'll think about it over the next couple days. So take care for now. We'll see you in the next part.